And here we have a super fresh-faced Tia. I love her so much. Thank you, boo. I started by priming and moisturizing her skin. To prime her skin, I used my Dr. Brandt Pores No More. And then I mixed the Maybelline Foundation Fit Me in 355 and 360 together. It matched her perfectly, and put it on her face. And then for concealer, I actually used the Clinique foundation, which is not a concealer, but I like that tone and I like the consistency of it. So I'm going to put it in all the areas that you normally highlight. I always say that. And then for contour, I'm using the LA Girl Concealer. And then I'm just going to blend that with a beauty blender. When I'm blending the under eye out, I also make sure that the concealer gets on the eye because I use that as a primer for the eyeshadow. And then to set everything, I'm going to use the Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Some people are skeptical about that for chocolate skin, but I have no problem with it because the powder that I use gives pretty good coverage. And that happens to be the Media Pro Palette by Nye. So I've dusted it off of her face completely, and then I'm going to contour with the NYX palette, the NYX Contour Palette actually. I'm going to contour her cheekbones, her forehead, I'm going to contour her jawline, and then I'm going to also contour her nose. After the nose contour, we're jumping into blush, and for that we're using Cinnamon by NYX, which is very good for chocolate skin. I love orange on chocolate skin. So I'm going into the crease with Caramelized by Morphe Cosmetics and Coco by Geek Cosmetics. I'm also going to go in with Mocha by Morphe, and then on the lid I'm using Burlesque by Geek Cosmetics. I'm going to pack that on. This is a mixed glitter that I put together myself. I'm just putting it all over the lid. And then for liner, I'm using the Jet Black Liner from e.l.f. Cosmetics. It's my favorite one. It's really the only liner that I use now. I used to use the Maybelline Gel Liner. It's completely replaced that. I'll be coating her lashes with the Loreal Voluminous Mascara in Carbon Black. I love this mascara. It's my new favorite one. And the lashes are from Coco Lashes and Goddess. This is the Anastasia Glow Kit palette. I'm just going to highlight her beautiful cheekbones and also her nose, her chin a little bit. I'm going to use on the bottom lash line the same eyeshadows that I used on the top, which is Mocha and Burlesque and Coco Bear. And I'm also going to use the mascara on her bottom lashes. And now for lips, I'm using Cabernet by Jordana Cosmetics to line. And then I'm mixing Icon by BhCosmetics and Montenegro by Lipland Cosmetics together and applying them to her lips. They're both liquid lipsticks. And then I'm also going to set her face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. This is the best spray. So you guys, this is practically the finished look. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Please remember to hit the like button and to also subscribe. See you next time. Mwah. They can't hear shit I'm saying.
You're gonna make me look like crazy one.
I guess I'll start with your eyebrows closed.
Come tomorrow? God damn it. Tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. You understand me?
You know I'm gonna be rooting for you. Post that picture so I can be like, yeah. Did you see that meme? When they be like, when your friends see the picture, then they post it, you be like, oh man.
I wish they could hear what I'm saying. I'm telling about you.
Hell no. Either you trust me or you don't. The Bible says either pray or worry. You never take me serious.